Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To replace a lost Social Security card, you'll need to provide proof of your identity and U.S. citizenship or lawful immigration status. Acceptable documents include a U.S. passport, U.S. driver's license, or a state-issued identification card for proof of identity. For citizenship, a U.S. birth certificate or U.S. passport will suffice. If you're not a U.S. citizen, you can provide a lawful permanent resident card, work permit, or passport with an unexpired visa. Complete an application for a Social Security card, Form SS5, and submit the required documents to the Social Security Administration.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.